Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and it's the part 2 of orientation to MBBS. In this video, I'll be giving you an overview of the system of classes held at different colleges, most of the colleges. I know these are very basic things, but for the people who have almost no guidance, these details might be very useful. So first of all, we will be discussing about different lectures. As you already know, the major subjects of first year that are gross anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. You attend their lectures almost daily, 5 days a week or might be 6 days a week. They take place in different lecture halls or they may be in the same lecture hall. In most of the colleges, one lecture is of about 45 minutes or might be of 1 hour. The lectures of minor subjects like embryology, histology, and general anatomy are taken once or twice a week. This is because their weightage from the exam point of view is a little less than the major subjects. So the total number of lectures for these minor subjects is lesser than that of the major subjects. So now coming towards the Islamiyat lectures. In all those colleges that are under UHS, the University of Health Sciences arranged the Islamiyat and Pakistan Studies lectures for first and second year of MBBS, because in second year MBBS, the students who are giving their professional exams to University of Health Sciences are to clear these Islamiyat and Pakistan Studies compulsory exams in order to get promoted to third year. So in most of the colleges, they take Islamiyat lectures for first year MBBS and you will be giving its exam in second year. So now we will discuss about life skills lecture or behavioral sciences lecture. Again, life skills are very important and essential for the character development or grooming of a person. So some colleges might arrange some life skills lecture. They are more sort of some counseling lectures or interactive lectures. Some of you might enjoy them or some of you might take them as a burden. But overall, I enjoyed taking life skills lecture. Also, in some colleges, there are behavioral sciences lectures. Behavioral sciences is basically a subject of third year MBBS, but some colleges arrange its lectures for first year as well, so that the students might become familiar with this subject before coming to third year. And also in third year, the studies become even more hectic, also difficult. So if you will be knowing about behavioral sciences and taking its lecture from first year, then you will be finding it easier in third year. But it's also not a part of first year MBBS, so you will not be needing to prepare it or you need not worry about it. Dissection is the next topic for discussion. Dissection of human cadavers is basically done for the gross anatomy. This is a proper lecture or timings in which you go to the dissection hall, and in some colleges the students themselves dissect the human cadavers, while in some other colleges they have already dissected and preserved specimens of the human cadaver for the students to just identify different structures like nerves, vessels, muscles, etc. on the human cadaver. Because when you are studying something from the text and theory part of the books, then implementing it and looking it on the cadaver is something really different and opposite. In the books you have red colored arteries, yellow colored nerves, but in the human cadaver, in the human body even, all these structures are of same color. You can say brown or even colorless type of color. So this is an very essential part of the learning. But in most of the days, like in regular classes, you just go to the dissection hall and study gross anatomy there, while the dissection part basically is done weekly or even monthly or before your stages and sub stages, so something like that. So now coming towards the practicals. Practicals carry a huge bulk of marks in your examinations. So there are separate practicals lectures, you can say, or timings in which you go to the practical labs. and perform different practicals, even write them on your practical notebooks. So you get to perform and write different practicals, maybe daily or even thrice a week, because there are 3 major subjects and you have to appear in practicals for each major individually. So some colleges might be specifying 3 days a week for the practicals, or some might even take 5 days. It actually varies from college to college. Tutorials is something somewhat interesting. Some people might be hating tutorials and some might be loving them. These are basically the classes that are arranged for the proper and thorough learning of the students. In some colleges, in these tutorials, the teachers are just making students learn the topics and making them understand them properly, while in some colleges, the teachers might make tutorials interesting by taking some sort of presentations or including some type of a little games or something like that. It also depends from teachers to teachers and the colleges to colleges, of course. But honestly speaking, tutorials is something that makes you learn the topic on the spot, while some other students who might have difficulty in learning at the college or at the school in their school days might be getting a little bit annoyed by these tutorials. Clinical conferences is one of my favorite things about mid school. These conferences are held, on monthly basis or even after 2 or 3 months, once after 2 or 3 months. In these conferences, some of the students from the class, 3 or 4 students, are to be presenting some slides or presentations on a particular topic. The principal, the head of departments, all the professors, teachers are there to listen to the students. This basically helps to build the confidence and groom the students on each and every part. They should be able to present something in front of their fellows. The other students who are sitting as an audience get to learn something new from their fellows, obviously. So clinical conferences are, I guess, an essential part of the system, and some people enjoy these conferences, some might be not liking these. Okay, so now the last thing that we will discuss is clinical rotations or wards. In most of the colleges, there are particular timings that are specified for the students to go to the hospital and see the applied aspect of these medical sciences. They go and just learn from their seniors or all the medical officers or house job officers at their duties. They get to learn how to take blood samples, how to do simple procedures that are done in regular checkup of patients, how to check the blood pressure, or all the aspects related to the clinical aspects of the studies. Last thing to mention here, that for tutorials, practicals, and even wards, the students of mostly 150 to 100 to 150 strength of a year are divided into different batches. There might be 4 batches or there might be 5 batches. So on a particular day, say Monday, there would be a batch that would be having its tutorial, one will be having its practical, maybe some batch would be going to the hospital for their ward. So this is the procedure of having or attending different classes and lectures at the medical school. So thank you for listening. I hope that you got something from this video. If you liked it, do press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment what you think of the video. Thank you.